Alright guys, I think we are back in live again. Perfecto. Just checking if my stream is perfect and it's working fine. Alright, alright. Uh, let's talk about where we have left off. There was some technical issue with my video stream, so I had to close it, but I'm now continuing it. Hopefully, we won't be having any more issues similar to that as now. I have one thing that I've changed over here is my background. This is looking much nicer than before, so I think I'm gonna keep this view. So go. Let's get back to the stream now. Ta-da! All right, so this is where we were. I have made some changes in the visual aspect of the application as well. Like for example, on the right side, on my cursor on the right side, I used to have my prompt setup, but now I have removed the page layout and I just showing you the prompt setup. On the left side, there will be selection of folders and files, and on the bottom it's my terminal that is running. I might close it later on, but for now it seems we have enough space to make this video work. So now that we are over here, let's talk about the application and what we have built so far. In my last video, I was thinking about writing, having comments in my notes section as well. But right now, I can see the ayahs, and it's going down below, and the comments are taking over. So this is not something that I'm liking that much. I'm still thinking what should I do. So I think the best way to do is having two icons, one for ayah and one for comments, so that I don't need to I don't want to scroll down to look at the ayahs. I should be able to toggle and it should work. So let's do that. I'm thinking of instead of giving my solution, I'm thinking of asking it to make it better. So I'm asking it to do it. I have the design that I'm thinking of. It will work, but I want to see its response first, and then see how we're going to do that. So according to it, what it's doing is it's reordering the link. Ayah will appear on top, and it's collapsing the comment section so that once clicked, then you'll see the comments. Otherwise, it will remain closed. That's what I'm thinking it's doing. Let's see now. Let's see the application. Let's see how it does. All right. Sure. Not bad. This is not bad. I'm liking this. This is much better. What do you think? What do you guys think? Isn't this much better than before? Give me a second. Let me check my stream. I hope it's not giving me problems anymore. I don't want to see that issue again. let's go check it out. Give me a second. Interesting. It is good, but somehow the stream current bitrate 2673 kbps is lower than the recommended bitrate. We recommend you that you use a stream bitrate of 6800 kbps. This is something that I don't like. What to do, what to do, what to do. Anyone knows how to open YouTube over here? Because that is something that I have no idea of. I accidentally closed it. Let me chat GPT it. Docs and custom browser docs. Okay, let's do that. Docs. YouTube. And let's see what happens. Oh no. Again, I don't want to give this. Anyways, let's see what happens now. Let's get back to work. Okay. So I think I'm good with this for now. This is looking fine. And test 3, add comments, test 4, add comments. So it's showing me the time and showing me the comments. I think this is good. Perfect, 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 perfect. So this is done. This was one of the main parts. To tell you the truth, I'm hating, trust me, I'm hating this nav bar. I do not like it at all. Yes, let's do this first. Copy. So this is one of the designs that I have found out. Let me see if I can open up. Let me see if I can, if there's open browser within this. No, it's not. Let me opening it up within the browser. Dum 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 shows open browser, but when I put this over here, the hell, not this. Why can't we just open this? Oh, oh, what did I do? Huh? What's this? What did I just open? What am I doing? Why can't I? Oh my god, I hate this. Uh, yeah, I'm having some trouble with the cursor setup. Let me set it up again. I'm not sure why this is showing up. At last, I fixed it. Whatever I did, I fixed it. Okay, let me show. Let me change the properties again. So yeah, this is the design I've been working on. You probably are not able to see it. Let me show you quickly. Yeah, basically this was what I was trying to show you at that time. So can you guys see? No, you cannot see this still. Anyways, let me just move it. Lord, where's cursor? Okay. Yes. So let's see. Are you still able to see it? Okay. Yes. So we are back to our application. What I want to do was to show you that this how is this going to look, and it is giving me a pain. So now if I open this browser and if I do this, then I copy the path, copy path, and let's see. Ah, nope. This is very annoying. If I put it over here, nope. Man, there should be a better way to show this HTML. Let me create a new scene so that you guys can see. Okay, over here, the design was this, like clicking on this over here. No, we don't have the design. I cannot show you the design at this moment, but do not worry, we can do it right now. For example, this start, you know, hey, when did this happen, and why did this happen? Ooh, I think we are having some technical issues now. Right? Ah, I think my iPhone stream is messing up as well. Let me renew it. Yeah. So this is what's happening in my stream in my application. Oh, sorry. The application was down. I forgot to enable it again. Let's try again. Huh? Why is this not working? Nothing is happening. Mm, let's try now. An app is not opening up. The problems that I face to resolve one issue. Oh well, this is the only thing that I can do now. How to close this now? How to close this simulator? Close this. I want to close this. Done. Perfect. Let's see what's happening. Okay, let's open it back up. Okay, let's start a new one. What was it? Hardship? How come I'm not having this issue? Maybe I'm talking too much. Let's copy the error. Well, what I wanted to do was something else, but it's sad that I'm stuck over here. Hopefully this time it will work. I hate this simulator, man. Every time some other issue comes up. Or, yeah, I think this is better. So, the main plan was the main plan was to work on that page that I showed you guys. Let me open it up again for a second. No, my mic is here, and all is well in this world. Hmm. I have asked cursor to do it. Let's see, it's still thinking. It found out the issue, and while this is being done, let's go back to our Chrome and let's look into how we are going to make something like these stuff better. Hmm. It's done. Let's test it out. It's already been half an hour and somebody is concurrently watching it, which is good. I didn't expect anyone who will be doing it right now, but this is good. Okay, so let's test out now. Simulator, search. Let's do hardship again. Select, note. It worked. A, but it shouldn't work like this. Oh no. Ah yeah, add thread, add to thread. Let's go ahead, add to thread. Create a node. Hardship test, and then I want to add a theme, hardship, add, then save. Perfect. So we have this, right? And let's create one more, because that is how we are going to know if it's working correctly. Let's add something from below. Now let's do this. Start a node, hardship part 2, test. Let's select this and save. So now I have two nodes on the same topic, hardship, which is acting as a tag. So what my plan is, like, if you go to themes and I click on themes, it is showing like this. And before I was showing you that it should. So I've done some changes over here. I've asked to use this theme. It's sometimes harder to use scenes Like I forgot to change the scene and I typed it. So my apologies. I'm still learning, as I said this before. Apologies. Somebody was here and now he's gone. This is sad. It would have been nice if I had some more users. But anyways, somebody showed up again. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Now let's go. Let's see what's happening now to our application. It seems like it's already done. Should we try it out? Oh wow. Hmm. The design, I'm not liking the design. It's too big for the screen, especially the circles that are there. I don't want that big circles. They should be smaller. So I'm asking the code to fix it for me. Cursor to fix it for me. All right, this is happening. Something is happening. Some people are just came in, and this is going much better than I was expecting. So let's see how it turns out. Yeah. Anyone liking the heart shape in the middle? I'm not. I think it would be better if we have something else over here. Mm, let me ask cursor and ask it to fix it. So sometimes what I do is I create a UI that I'm liking, but when it actually comes live, I do not like it. And this is the same case over here. It should have been much better than this, but this is, I think, normal. It happens to me a lot. Let's see. I think what if there are more nodes? Are they going to get smaller? Or is it just 10 or 15 nodes? Let's try that then. Search hardship. Let's search it from over. Add this. Add to thread. Then let's do this. Add to thread. What has happened to my mouse? Free hardship. Free hardship test. Let's add this hardship. Save. So now we have 3 hardships. Let's go. Now Uh, how is this possible? Okay, 331. Man, it's not looking bad. I'm actually liking it. And if I click on this, very nice. And if I click on this, wow, Lemu. And what about this? Wow, this is great. Ah, I am loving this. This is much, much, much better than I was expecting. Man, oh man, oh man. This is exactly why I like this design. It took me a while to make this design though. Okay, now let's go back. So this part is also done. Next step I need to do is I'm really hitting the nav wire right now, and I'm kind of thinking of removing, changing the flow of it completely, but I do not have a design for it yet. So what I'm thinking right now is, should I work on the nav bar or should I change the notes section? This is too much for me. Like, it's not bad, but I think okay. You guys decide, basically. Uh, so so the plan is this. I think I'm gonna remove this quick and help button. But I like the help button. Hmm. Let me find the UI for the new notes section. Give me a second. Is this the one? Hmm. I hate this one. Yes, this is the design. Give me a second, guys. me? Can you guys hear me? I think it should be fine now. Let's check. All is okay. Some people did came to my stream, but they left. Only one viewer from my side, huh? Oh, that's fine. $68 KB. Okay, so let's get back to it. Where was I? Yeah, I wanted to show you guys the new design, and let's see if you guys like it or not. Copy. Let's paste it over here. New file. My notes. Design. .html. Paste it over here. Yeah. Let's now open it. Open in browser. Give me a second, guys. I'm gonna charge my phone while at it. I think my mic is not that good, eh? I have increased the mic volume. It's at max, but somehow it's not great. I don't know why. Anywho, let's get back to it. Okay, so I wanted to show you the new design. All right, so my notes design is here, and let's unveil the new design. My main screen. Okay, is the new design for the news. Is the new design for the new news notes page, and the best. And what was it? And last open should work. Nicely as well. It should be configured properly at the back end, so that once it opens another note opens up, then it should come on top. If this works, I think then we are in a good shape, because at that time I really like this design. I don't know, what do you guys think? Okay. Pum 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 pum. How come two people came, but I'm only seeing one Okay, I'm gonna stop looking at the analytics anymore. I'm getting tired of it. All right. So while this is happening, let's talk about what's important to you guys. I wanted to know, how do you guys use prompting to make your application? And not because like I want to learn from you guys as well. And even though I know the code as well, I can check out the code, but sometimes I'm too lazy. Right now it's 1:29 a.m. At my place, so I don't really want to look at the code. I just want to see the results, and by tomorrow I should be able to publish the new version of it. What Before ending this live video, I'm gonna deploy it on my mobile on test flight and see if it works properly or not. If it is working nicely, and then by tomorrow morning I'll release the new version of it, so that there's the first version had some issues as well. I think it is a good time to show you that as well. Give me a second, let me show you that part too. Okay, so let's go to app store. Do you guys see my screen? Back to our main screen and test it out. Hey, what's happening now? I just disappeared. How was that happening? I think it's the background. It's not able to differentiate me with the background. It's similar to the color of my skin. Oh, what should I do? Let's just change the location then. I am doing this the whole video now. There we go. Still the same? No, much better. Is it? Give me a second. Let's open up our video. Is it better now? I think it is much better. It is much better. Alright, so let's go back and see where we are at. So this was the design. Nothing happened to my design then? There's no change in my design? But there is a change. Is it working? It is working, but is it looking better than before? Let me check it with the application that I have on my mobile. To tell you the truth, it is much better than what I have right now. Another thing that I'm thinking about, is it going to delete the data that I have when I update it? Because that is going to be a problem for me. Is it going to be a problem for me? Like, I'm afraid that I have already have a lot of data on my actual application that I'm running on my mobile. So if I go take it live, is it going to delete the data? Because there's no other way to save the data except for the mobile. And if it doesn't, then it's great. But if it does, then I don't know. I'm thinking to remove this buttons as well, the question mark and these two, the floating buttons, because it's not looking good actually. Let's do themes first and see what happens. Yeah, this is fine. This is not fine. It is fine, but what I really like is to remove this button and put it over here. What to do? 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 Hey, there's a bug. There's an error over here. Nothing. I think the issue is not on my side. Is this working? Yeah, it is. What to do? And what to do? What to do? What to do? Let's do exactly I was telling you about. Let's add the themes the way we wanted. But you know what I actually like is this part. This is, I think, one of the best part of the application. or I don't like this page. This is one of the worst pages in the application. Like with this nav bar. Let's ask. When you don't know the answer, ask AI. I have also tried one more thing, and I think it is working very nicely. Is that whenever I need to, if I do not, I'm not sure of the user flow, how it's going to be, and how it's going to make it better. What I do is I ask the UI, I ask the AI to provide me with the best user flow, friendly flow, and sometimes it comes up with a very nice and amazing flow that I was not thinking about. So let's try that possibility. If it doesn't work, then I have another UI that I've already created and I can follow it. I just don't. The UI that I've created, it has two steps. First, you're going to click the theme, and then there's going to be a list of all the all the name of the themes, and then you click on one of the themes, and then it's going to show up uh, this page. So let's see. Let's see what happens. But this is not looking that bad. And yeah, so what I'm doing right now is, this is a good way. I am liking this flow, but just for consistency, I'm thinking to have this similar last open theme over here on the top, and then when it's clicked on it, and then below there should be a tabular row for the rest of it. What do you guys think? Let's try it out, shall we? I think the more we make everything standardized, it becomes easier for the user to use. I think that's one of the major parts that we need to focus on, being consistent across the board, because as you're getting consistent, it is becoming more user friendly. While it's happening over here, anywho, hopefully. Tell you the truth, from now on I'm gonna start developing it like this. So today we are going to bring it live, and then in the next 2 days I think I'm gonna market it so that people start using and download this application. Tomorrow my plan is to hopefully release it on Google, my first version at least, and then second I should be able to release the second version on App Store as well. I won't be getting it on like within a day or two. I think it will take 2 to 3 days, and for Google I think it will take 7 to 8 days. But let's release it so that we have a proper setup for it. What do you guys think? I think we have done a good job for up till now, and let's hope that it works nicely. Let's try it out now. I think this is much better. No, it's not. Uh, I don't know. How come? I don't think the Surah's one is a good idea. Yep, it is working. Or the C. Okay. Is this a good idea or not? I'm confused. Mm, what am I going to do? Should it be themes? Last open theme name? Or what? I think it should be theme. Because when I'm looking into theme, it should just show up for the themes, right? I'm just saying that the consistency should be in the structure of the pages. But I don't know if we need Surah at all. I'm just gonna ask the AI to make a better UI as well. UI better navbar. Sorry, my mind went somewhere else. Let's see if it's done. Yeah, it's done. Let's see. Oh, hmm. Nothing happened. Why? Huh? There's a bug. I don't know what the bug is. It's such a huge bug. I don't know. Let's just ask. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Yeah, I think this is much better. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Much better. I think when it gets bigger, it will not be that good. But for now, I think this is good. And there's also other things that I want to do as well. But to tell you the truth, it's 2 a.m. over here. Even though, let me do just one thing. For now, I want to deploy it on my mobile first. Let's just do that now. If you guys want to know this commands, I can share it with you when you guys want. Just comment on this and I'll share it with you guys. Wow, so many issues. Let's see if there's a bug. uh, I'm holding it now in my hands. I think this is much better and you guys can hear me properly. Otherwise, I have to speak loudly, which I'm not very familiar with. I'm usually a soft-spoken person, but right now I think this is something that I am having problem with. Another thing that I'm having problem with is that there's a drop frames. There's a lot of frames for me, and I don't know how to fix that part because this is not a good sign. Like right now, it's gone down to 851 kbps, which is not great. I don't want that. One thing I realize is that when I am talking a lot, the kbps goes down quickly. I don't know why is it. Maybe it's raining right now and it is creating an interference in my setup. I don't know, but the drop frames are a lot. It's like 8.4%. So in the next video, I think I need to resolve this issue. Uh, this is sad. This is very, very, very sad. How come I don't have more users? Oh no. But nonetheless, this is good. Anyways, guys, I think this is done. I'm done for the day. The rest, I think I will be doing it tomorrow. Right now, I'm just creating a build and just pushing it to test flight, and then I'm deploying it on my mobile so that I can test it out. Uh, it will take 5-10 minutes more because I am. If it works fine, I think I will deploy it by tomorrow, so that we have a better. I want to see what happens if a new deployment is done. When it updates, is it going to remove the data that I have already have? Tomorrow, I think I'm going to resolve small issues like this floating button. I think I'm going to remove it. The help button, I think I have to change the place of the help button, because the previous place position it was in, it is not going to look great on it. In it, sorry. Uh, Another thing that I'm thinking of is that I need to have a settings page. Basically, that page, the main purpose of this page is going to be that I need to have. I think I'm going to have a settings page because I need to have different translations of this. Somebody is going to look into somebody is fluent in Urdu, so I should have an Urdu section, Urdu translation of it. Then somebody else is going to be fluent in another language like Spanish, French, Malay, uh, whatever language, Indian, or I don't know, any language. So it's in different languages. I should be able to have translations over here. I'm gonna only start with Urdu for now, and then later on I should be increasing it. But this is one of the main development I have to do. But until then, I think uh, another thing that I'm going to focus tomorrow is going to be on my uh, marketing part of it. I'm going to come up with a plan tomorrow. I think no. I'm going to make a video where we are going to make a plan. I'm going to do the only thing that I'm going to do is going to do research on how to do that. I think that would be a great way to come up with a plan. Like how for the next week, basically. And because I will be doing it with you guys, it will be easier for me. And I think I should be keeping the mic in my hands, because this way I think you guys can hear me clearly. Otherwise, when it's on my shirt, I don't think you guys are hearing me clearly. Anyways, I think that is it from today. The summary is that we have done a lot. A few things that we have done so far is like added the comment section. We have updated the themes section. We have moved the theme section into the notes. I have updated the notes page, and then small UI looks and feel as well. So in total, we have done 5 major tasks in 1 hour and 20 minutes, maybe, or more than that, like 1.5 hour, 1.5 hour. So I think this is a it's a good progress. In tomorrow, I'll probably have two two streams that are going to go live. One will be for the marketing purposes, and the second one will be for my development part. uh, in the coming weeks, I don't think I will be showing you the marketing side of things. I will give you the results, what's happening. Right now, no one has downloaded it so far. The application that I've uploaded, there are a lot of views, a lot of profiles have been watched, but to tell you the truth, there is nothing in my profile as I've shown you right now. I need to boost up my profile for my app store. So that is one thing that I'm going to do. That is one of the important things that I'm going to plan tomorrow. I think that it will be happening in the next coming weeks, and pros probably will be releasing a new version of it tomorrow, so that in the next coming days, the new version is uploaded, it will have the marketing stuff as well. Or should I wait on Monday? I think I should wait on Monday, and I'll bring it live to upload it for review. Yeah, so I have said a lot, and I think I might have confused you guys. So nonetheless, hope you enjoy your weekends, and hope you go out on Saturdays. Overheads at Saturday it's like it's already Sunday, 2 a.m. So bye from me, and see you guys tomorrow.